I have two good news for you. I reduced the weight of this man from 128 kgs to 86 kgs. Totally 42 kilogram weight loss. One more good news. I reduced the weight of this small boy, 11th standard boy, from 140 kgs to 70 kgs. Totally I reduced 70 kilogram weight loss. No protein powder, no tablets, no juice, no running, no gym, no bariatric surgery. I just gave him my balanced home food diet plan. If you want to reduce your overweight by balanced diet plan, please call me at 944-2407-418 and don't forget to share this great awareness video. My kind request, so many people in the world are dying because of heart attack because of this lower abdominal fat. So please share this